Hello my audio friends, this is Mike from Headquarter Audio, and as I said in the last video, I need a new personal computer, PC, and you know me, I need a computer with audio functions for USB, a good USB card inside, and a fast computer for my video section, cutting videos from the fairs I visit. Next fair is in Munich. I will visit next week. And so I decided to build my own PC the first time, and please help me if I do something wrong, and be calm if I do something wrong. But I think it's a good way to make it a little bit cheaper to build it by myself, and to choose the right products to do this. And so I will give you my thinking and my work about this to choose the right things. And so let's start. The first thing you have to think about is your case. And for me important is that my personal computer must be silent. No noise, no humming, no noise, and no vents inside and something like that. And so I decided to build a silent PC, and with this case it's a Streacom FC9. Please think about and watch the video here description. In the description I will give you all the links to the products, and so you can find the right product directly without searching with Google. And this is a very nice case for micro motherboard, and it has 3 PCI slots here, and yeah, here you can see for the motherboard, and yeah, power in, and this can be changed, and I will show you this later, yeah, if I buy this. And here it's all aluminum, and it's all done and made very nice without sharp edges, and the right sound. And I can open it up. I remove the screws. You can see the lid, very stable, and here it's a package inside, yes, with all the things you need to install the processor and cooling equipment here inside. And but you will see this in the following sections of this video, and we will see. Okay, later. Here inside it's a cable for the power connection and the USB. There are 2 USB ports here on the side, so it's a very nice clean front. And here is another, yeah, you can see it. So this is my case, and it's sturdy like an yeah, with nice feet here and everything well done. Streacom. There's also a silver one, and I like to have a black one this time. And you see behind me I like silver normally, but this time I need a black one because I have a black DAC duck Dinner Frips Athena 2. So to build a PC you need a case, and the next step is you need a motherboard. Yeah, and I use this one. Yeah. Oh, so much opinions about motherboards and which manufacturer you choose, and so this is the one that I choose. Maybe you will choose another one. I had some yeah, I think about the things in a really in the right way for me for audio, and there was important for me to have the right power inside of this motherboard. And this is a very well built motherboard. I can show it to you. One moment. Let's open it up. I'll do this for you to bring it to you. That's it. That's the motherboard I will use. And you see, oh, smells like electronics, nice. And you see here the capacitors are in a very good quality, and yeah, read the description of this motherboard or read more. For me, also important was it has an PCI 4 port here for my USB card from Pingfound, and I don't use a graphic card because I will use a processor that has a graphic card inside, and I will not use the Wi-Fi connection here. And you can see this. Nice. Yeah. I decided for this one because it has full audio support here, and with an optical out. You will not find this anymore at every motherboard. And you can see here it has a very, very good audio section. So, but this is not necessary for my headphone rig that I will connect to the Pingfound card that must be placed here. It's an USB card for my Denafrips, and this is a separate way, and I will do this not with the internal power, because this card is able to get an external power supply 5 volts. Okay, so this is completely separate. Yeah, you can read more about this in every forum or online here. So back, and the second thing that was important for me is this small thing here, because you can use here 2 more M2 cards, and so we are talking about, and I will show you my card. This is a card I use for my Windows system card, and this is for a very good price now, P3 with 4 terabyte, and this is for my data and my videos and all the things, and I can do it in this very nice quality PCI 5 and 4 here, and this is a 4 one, and maybe later I can add a PCI 5. So that's it for the motherboard and my 2 drives here. And for the motherboard I will use for the processor I use this plate. Yeah, I will show you the montage of this one later, and you will see exactly what I'm doing. And I will choose a riser because the motherboard has a very good, very high heatsink on the side, so I need a riser for the cooling, passive cooling, and I use this one. Okay, I show you. You will see the full build of the Headquarter Audio desktop PC for audio too. This is separate by Streacom. You can buy this at Case King or Falconer, or I will give you the links. Yeah, this one. And next one is RAM. I use this one. It's 64 gigabyte. It has only 2 rows, and so I decided to go with 2 rows of this, and it's DDR5. It's not the fastest possible, but for me it's fast enough, I think, and the size is big enough for 4K video cutting, and so I choose this, and it was a very, very good price at Amazon this time. Yeah. So, sorry. The most important thing is the processor, and I use this one. And the cause why I use this one, it is exactly the Ryzen 9 7900, yeah, with Radeon graphics 12-core, 24-thread processor, and this one has a thermal, I don't know the right just name for this, THD of 65 watts, and this is exact the right for this case. Yeah, and so I decided to use the AMD with low power consumption and not too much heat for the case, and this is important. Yeah, next thing not to forget is the right thermal paste. It's an Cryonaut Extreme. Yeah, it's, I think, one of the best possible thermal paste, and I will use this one because I want to get rid of the heat in the best way possible, and so I choose this. It's a little bit expensive, but very good. And several cablings here for the motherboard has only DisplayPort out for 2, DisplayPort out for the graphic for the monitor, and yeah, it's in USB, a very nice USB cable, and these cables are very nice. I will give you the link in the description. And now the most important for me thing, and maybe later I will try several other power supplies, and this is the one I choose for this project. It's this one. Yeah, it's 1000 watts. It's maybe too much, but it works in a lower profile, and so it's the best of power consumption, and it has the best parts inside. Only Japanese capacitors and gallium nitride. I don't know the word now, but this is the best for me in this moment because of the price, and it is important for me. It's a big one. I can show you this one moment. Here it is. Here are the sockets for the cabling, and this is side, back side, power on off, and for the van here on the top, and this is the top side, and the looking is very nice. And so the next thing is this one, where it is. Here it is. You can see it's because of the foil you cannot see it. This is a mirror here, and behind that is an LED display, and there you can see the actual wattage, that is consumption of the whole PC. And so you see this is a very nice thing, and I will do only some knobs here, and it will be external from the PC, so it's very good for audio because of the radiation of radiation of the device. It will not go to the ping phone card and not into the main board, and so it's separate of that, and the looking is so nice that you can place it separate. And so I decided to go with this one, and maybe later there are several very, very high-end power supplies out there, ping phone and Farad and JCAT and others. Very expensive, maybe better, but let's try. First step is this one, and then we will see what's going on. So I think one thing with the power supply is this bag here. This bag. It has all the cabling inside, and all cables are sleeved. Yeah, and so the looking is very nice. It's high-end looking, and so it's also good. But at the end you will see what I have done, and if it works. I hope it will work. Please subscribe and give me feedback, maybe for better things or what I have to think about. And I will do now BIOS upgrade to be at the actual BIOS with the motherboard, and then I will install processor, and I will give you the next video. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and I hopefully will do this correct and will have a working PC at the end with very good sound maybe. Thank you, bye.